Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Weebly to create a splash page or blog. This is perfect for creating eye-catching landing pages or adding a fresh blog section to your existing website. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see various options for managing your account. Click on Website to access your site management area. This is where all your active websites are stored and ready to be edited. Under the Website section, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click on it. This will show you a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the specific website you want to work on and add your splash page or blog to. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This takes you into the editor where you can modify your site's structure and content. Now that you're in the editor, focus on the top menu bar. Find and click on Pages. This will open up a view showing all the existing pages on your website. This is where you'll add your new splash page or blog. To create a new page, click on the plus icon. A menu will appear giving you different page type options to choose from. For this tutorial, select Standard Page as your page type. Next, you'll be prompted to name your new page. Type in something relevant like welcome if you're creating a splash page or blog if that's your intention. After naming it, look for the setting called header type and click on it. From the drop-down options that appear, select header and then choose splash. This setting transforms your standard page into a splash page format, which is ideal for creating those bold, full-screen introductory pages that immediately grab visitor attention. And there you have it, you've successfully created a splash page using Weebly. This simple process gives you a powerful tool for making strong first impressions or organizing content through dedicated blog sections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.